Hi everyone, hope you're doing well today. Today I will explain a writing lesson which is about cause-effect essay. We started with this lesson when we were at school. Now we revised together what we did in the last writing period, and then we'll continue with the remaining parts of the essay. We wrote together the introduction, so I want you to open your writing copybooks at the introduction. It was the last thing that we wrote in our writing copybooks. First of all, I will comment on the title. In this essay, we're going to write about causes of exploration. Okay, so I will either ask you to write about causes of something or effects. Now, if I want you to write about causes, you'll write the introduction, two body paragraphs. Each paragraph is about one cause. We'll see how, and then a conclusion. If I ask you to write about effects of something, also you'll write the introduction, two body paragraphs about the effects, the same way, like causes, but I change the causes into effects and then conclusion. Now we'll see together how we write the cause-effect essay. First of all, I will comment on the title again. As we said, we're going to write about causes of exploration. So it's not enough to write in the title just exploration, because we're not going to write everything about exploration. We have to be specific. We're going to write about causes of exploration. Okay? And the title should be capitalized. As you see here, the C is capital, the E is capital. Of, it's not necessary to capitalize it because it's not a main word. Now, to start with our introduction, of course, we don't forget to indent here, and then we start with a general statement. And the best way is to give a definition. Here we gave a definition last time. Exploration is an activity to find new and unknown places. Period. We put this point. Okay, we have to divide it into sentences. And then we move to a more specific sentence. We give percentage. We create the percentage because we're not doing research. So we create it from our mind. People explored 90% of the countries around the world in the ancient times. And point. Then we give a quote by any explorer we want. Christopher Columbus believed that exploration could be equal to life. And point. And then we move to the most important statement in our introduction, which is the thesis statement. It gives the main idea of our whole writing. The thesis statement should be divided into two parts. The topic, which is exploration, this is our topic, and the controlling ideas, that are the ideas that will be in our essay. Here, our topic is causes of exploration, so we say exploration has many causes, and we don't stop. We have to mention at least two causes that we want to discuss in our essay. Here we're going to write about searching for food and trading, so we say like searching for food and trading. So we have two controlling ideas, then we should have two body paragraphs. The first controlling idea is searching for food. This should be in the first body paragraph. The second controlling idea is trading. This should be in the second body paragraph. We'll see how. Now, we're going to write together the first body paragraph. Okay? So, body paragraph 1. You you can continue under the essay, under the introduction, I mean, sorry. We said that the first controlling idea is searching for food. So this is the idea of the first body paragraph. And as we talked before, each body paragraph should start with a topic sentence. In the topic sentence, we write the main idea. And we said that the main idea is searching for food. So we write here, of course, we indent first. I don't want it to be in the red color, so I will change. Okay. First, because it's our first body paragraph, exploration. Exploration. It should be small letter, sorry. So because we have comma. Has many causes, like searching for food. We don't explain in the topic sentence, we just give the main idea. I want to write about searching for food. Okay? My body paragraph should be about 6 to 8 sentences. And all these 6 to 8 sentences should be related to the main idea, which is searching for food. Yani I don't write here about competition or about being famous. It's not, these things are not related, so we don't write about them. And I don't start after the topic sentence, I don't start with for example. I have to give a fact. So I will write the fact, then I will explain it. In the ancient times, uh, people suffered from shortage of food because they used to hunt all the animals that were found in their living area. Okay. So I gave a fact. If you remember the lesson, the reading lesson that we discussed, we said that in the year 1000 or before, people used to live in small areas and they used to hunt animals in order to eat because there were no factories to make canned food and there were no restaurants, so there were just animals to eat. And because they used to hunt all these animals, animals became scarce. They had few animals left in the forests or in the living areas where they used to live. And in order not to suffer from hunger, they left these areas and they went out to look for and search for other living areas. In this way, they explored new places to live in. Okay, so the sentence is, in the ancient times, people suffered, I'm using past because it's in the old time, from shortage of food because they used to hunt all the animals that were found in the living areas. I will add another fact. So let's look for another fact. Also, I'm using here transition. Also as a transition, connecting word to connect the sentences. Also